Today we are going to make a tool or a device to facilitate our cracking of walnuts. What you need is one larger and a harder essence type of wood and a lighter, smaller essence of wood. We are going to stick these pieces of wood together with this type of hard focusing nut that has a smooth edge here. I'm not sure how it's called in English. For this one to rotate, here we are going to drill a hole with a circle in this wood. Nice and tight. And here we are. Stick this here, and after that, bam, after you crack the walnut, you just drag it there. Much better. So now, going to put our walnut here, get our hammer, just you put a bucket over there, and here we are.